Hi everyone, Julie here. Today I want to share with you a very, very practical tip to learn multiple languages at once. So I've already made a video about the mindset you need to have to approach, tackling multiple languages at once. Today I want to give you something super practical. It's called language stacking. And basically what you want to do is you want to use the last language you've learned or other languages you've learned in the past to study the new one. So for example, a few months ago, well, actually already 6 months ago, wow, I moved to Brazil to study Portuguese, well, to just learn Portuguese, right? And so in January, when I decided to take on German, I used a lot of content made for Brazilians who want to study German. And so that allowed me to kind of solidify my knowledge of Portuguese, put it put it to use in a very practical way, as well as learn German. So this, for me meant finding Instagram accounts. There's so many amazing Brazilian creators online. It's insane. YouTube channels, websites, textbooks, and so on. And this is a really, really great way to learn languages, especially if you're learning similar languages. So I had done the exact same thing actually for learning Portuguese, which is that I use my knowledge of Latin American Spanish to learn Portuguese, and then Portuguese to learn German, and so on. And my goal is to, well, it's hard, but my goal is to at some point be able to use German to learn Dutch. I'm hoping by the end of the year. But yeah, so that's the idea of kind of stacking the languages one on top of the other and using the previous one to learn the next one. Another benefit of that, on top of, improving on both languages, is that the more languages you speak, the more content you can use to learn languages. And sometimes, especially if you're kind of doing it on your own and you don't have a budget to pay for like a super expensive school or whatever, and you're looking for more like free resources, this is a great way to find those resources, because if I can use, 3, 4, 5 languages or content in 5 languages to study the next one, it means I have access to a lot more stuff online for free. So it's cool. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the language stacking. Let me know if you've tried it before. Let me know if this is something you'd like to try. I would recommend that you wait until you are at an intermediate level to use that language to learn the next one. Otherwise, it might be a little bit too difficult. But yeah, it's a great way to shake things up a little bit and overcome this intermediate frustrating plateau by actually learning a new language. I know it doesn't sound very like intuitive or productive, but I promise you it is a great thing to do. And I really encourage you to try, if you already speak a foreign language to an intermediate level, go for it. So yeah, let me know if you've tried it. Let me know how it goes if you do try it. And I'll see you very soon for more tips. Bye.